Copy traders on Exness allows traders to mirror the trades of experienced traders, making it easier to participate in the financial markets without much experience. Here's how to copy trade on Exness. Open and find your Exness account. First, sign up for an Exness account on their website or mobile app. Complete the necessary verification steps and find your account. Access the copy trading section. After logging into your Exness account, go to the copy trading section within the platform or app. You will see a list of available traders to copy, along with their trading performance data. Select a trader to copy. Browse through different traders based on their performance, risk level, and strategy. Each trader has a profile showing their win rate, total trades, and profitability, allowing you to make an informed decision. Allocate funds to copy. Once you've selected a trader, you can allocate funds to copy their trades. Decide the amount you wish to invest in copying their trades, and the system will automatically copy the trader's positions in real time. Monitor your performance. Track the performance of your copy trades in your Exness account. You can adjust your copy trader or stop copying at any time if you're unsatisfied with their performance.